Baruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague. This week's Parsha is Parshas Vayikra. We begin the book of Leviticus. In Leviticus 1:11 we read, V'shochat osa al yerech hamizbech tzafona lifnei Hashem v'zarku b'nei Aharon kohanim estamoy al hamizbech saviv. Very famous verse that we recite in our daily liturgy. And he shall slaughter on the side of the altar northward before the Lord. And Aaron's sons, the priest, shall dash its blood against the altar round about. So when it says the side of the altar, the word yerech, which is translated here as side, so the Hebrew yerech actually means the thigh. So, but the outer thigh. So Rashi explains al yerech hamizbeach al tzad hamizbeach. That means the side of the altar, as we translated it. Similarly, in Exodus chapter 40, verse 22, we find something similar. So my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague, explains al tzad hamizbeach, that why does Rashi translate yerech, which means the thigh, as tzad, the side, lefi shed tzad nikra yerech. The side is called a thigh, she yerech oimed b'tzidu shel adam, that the outer thigh is on the side of a person. So, very simple. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment. We'll see you later.